Hello guys, in this video we're going to cover how to create global event types. So what are event types? Event types are actually types of events or occurrences that occur when you're doing like a sale or performing a monitoring or entering some data parameters for a certain subject or object or item or product or something like that. For example, I give you a scenario like where you're making a sale and you have to select, because the application supports various types of scenarios. So for example, if you're doing a sale scenario, then you will select the event as a sale or the event as a sign out in case you're doing time and attendance, or a sign in case it's in the morning. Basically that's the thing. Or if you're doing inventory, then there is events like dispatch if you're dispatching an item to a site. So how do you do that? You just follow the same steps. If you look at my previous videos, there's how to do a big group. So there is that part at the corner of this logo BiFA, BIFA, that background image at the right corner. You click on it and it gives you the authorization required, where you enter your profile password. And then once you enter your profile password, you swipe from that left to right and select config. Once you select config, the dialog will load for all the buttons that are required to be configured here. And right now we want to configure the 7th button, which is be event type. Right, so I click on that. You find that if there is a list of events already in the system, they'll be displayed here. If there is none, then it will prompt you to create a new one. So here we already have a sale event in the system. If I want to create one, I'll just swipe a white area to the left, and then it will give me an empty form where I can actually create a new global event, profile event. Or if I want to edit a current one, then I'll just select on the sale, and then I'll be able to kind of edit this one. For example, this is a sale, so I just put 000, not to say that the sale can be done midnight, but just to say like the sale can be done anytime or something like that. So we just use 00.00 to, the system uses that to say that the sale can be done at any time, but there is no restriction if you put at any time here. It's just a form of organizational policy to say maybe if it's a special event like sign in, then what time do you expect people to sign in for work, and what time do you expect them to sign out for work, or there are those kind of, so when that field for time is actually very important. But here it is not. Inheritable means that this event can be inherited for extra shops or sites that you create in the profile. If you select this, then when you create a profile, first time you when you create a site, after you save it, then going to edit it, you can actually be able to inherit the events that are already in your profile to that particular site. Right now, so this is editing mode. So for example, I can select this one as inheritable and I save it. This sale event can be inheritable. So there we've just committed an event. Now let's create a new event. So we go back, swipe again to the left. Okay, there's a menu here. It actually comes. It's an effective one, right? Anyway, go back to swiping this navigation drawer from the left, and then you select config, and the config loads, and we find that we just wait for it to complete. We will be fixing these UI issues later. And then you select the event type, the lower left corner. So it will load again the same list, and this time we swipe to the left, from left to right, and we create a new event. Let's say it's a sign in, and the time sign in, we expect people to sign in at at 8, say like 8, something like that. I need to find a way on how to drop this keyboard. It's not coming, so let me just type 0800. It's 8, and then I say it's inheritable then I just say this is sign in event, sign in event for news for attendance, yeah, something like that. And from there I just save it. So there you create a sign-in event. You will come to see where we are going to use that event, but basically that's it. That's how you create an event in this application. And the rest of the videos, definitely like creating a global transaction type, which is the video coming next, they are all like the same. So thank you for watching once again, and keep tuned in.